Welcome back. In this 5th episode of What Are We Printing? Today we are going to show you how to decorate a glass jar using our Waterslide decal, the TheMagicTouch DCT 4.5 W. W is the white version, we also have the clear version. But it's that easy if you have a CMYK color laser printer, and let me show you how easy it is. In our favorite TheMagicTouch software basic, we are going to import our design, which we already pre-made and pre-configured with the right dimension. But you can do this with every design. So we're going to go to TheMagicTouch DCT, which is in this list. Here it is. We're going to go for A4 and we're going to click on print. You can use a cutting plotter to use print and cut, but I'm gonna just use a simple scissor to cut the design. So you can cut these designs or use print and cut with a cutting plotter. It's up to you and the time you have. So I got here one design made with love for Carrie. We're gonna put this transfer into the water and you will see that this little decal will fall off the paper. So we're gonna leave it into the water. It's gonna curl and we're just gonna turn it so we make sure there's water all over the transfer. We're gonna leave it for, let's say, 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're gonna grab this jar and we're gonna place the Waterslide decal onto this glass. It's perfectly when the product is not flat, but it's a little bit rounded. So now you see the decal has laid for about 15 to 20 seconds. We're gonna remove it from the water bowl, and now you will see that the decal will just easily come off the transfer. We're gonna put this away and I can now position it everywhere I want to, and you can even use a little squeegee to remove water excess or some air bubbles. We're gonna make it flat. It's positioned in the middle, and here we have a beautiful glass jar with a Waterslide decal. There you go. A glass jar is a glass jar, but a personalized one is even better. Use it for candies, for cookies, and so much more. What you even can do is you can put this Waterslide decal in the oven, and we put the time and the temperature in the description below. We have a C variant, which is clear, and we have a white variant, which is white. So you can choose depending on the background or the product. You can choose whatever is the best. Under 2 minutes, you personalize everything you want with the Waterslide decal, the TheMagicTouch DCT 4.5.